Hello! In this video I will show you how to install RAR application on ACER Iconia A10. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in RAR. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And now you have to allow this app to manage your files, and then you can go back. Then you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app or not, and click dismiss. And as you can see, my app is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.